Hello everyone, this is Amit from Ecovisionnaire. I hope you have watched my previous 4 videos on national income. Today in class number 5, I'll be teaching you how to calculate national income using income method. We have 3 methods of calculating national income. One is income, second is expenditure, and third is value added or output method. So in income method, we'll be solving some numericals today and also we'll understand the theory part of it. So let us start with income method. इनकम मेथड में पहली चीज जो हमारे को कैलकुलेट करनी होती है जो आती है पहले दैट इज एनडीपीएफसी दैट इज डोमेस्टिक इनकम दिस इज वॉट एवर इनकम इज जनरेटेड इन द डोमेस्टिक टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया चाहे हम एक वी आर वर्किंग फॉर समवन देन वी अर्न compensation of employees. If we are earning from property, entrepreneurship, interest, etc., we are earning operating surplus. And if we are self-employed people, then it is mixed income. So anything generated in the domestic territory of India will be the domestic income, that is NDPfc. So income method में पहली चीज क्या आती है हमेशा NDPfc. 3 चीजों को ऐड करके we have to add 3 things: COE, OS and mixed income. So when we have to calculate NNPfc, that is national income, then only one step ahead we need to go, that is NDPfc plus NFIA will give you national income. So let us see what COE, OS and mixed income stand for. COE is the income of people who work for others. अगर मैं नौकरी करता हूँ, if I'm on a job, then I earn COE. COE के components 3 होते हैं: wages, salaries in cash, kind and employer's contribution to my social security scheme like provident fund, gratuity or pension. If in the numerical COE is not given, we have to search for the components. उनको ऐड कीजिए तो COE आ जाएगा, और अगर COE दिया हुआ है तो आपको इन सबको इग्नोर करना है. And this is the income of people who work for others. Coming to operating surplus, it is the income from property, entrepreneurship, interest, etc. इसके 4 components we have: rent, interest, profit and royalty. Rent on land, interest on capital, profit, it is entrepreneurship. If profit is not given, then we have to search for its 3 parts. कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स को पकड़िए, डिविडेंड को पकड़िए और कॉर्पोरेट सेविंग, रिटेन्ड अर्निंग्स और अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट, इन तीनों को प्लस करके प्रॉफिट आएगा. Royalty is 80% times royalty is not given, but if it is given, add royalty also to the operating surplus, then you get OS. Coming to the third item which is given as it is, mixed income का कोई और नाम नहीं होता, ना उसके components होते हैं. So income of self-employed. When we add these 3 things, इनकम जो किसी से काम से आती है, जो किसी के लिए हम नौकरी करते हैं, COE, इनकम फ्रॉम प्रॉपर्टी, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, इंटरेस्ट एक्सेट्रा इज ऑपरेटिंग सरप्लस, एंड इनकम ऑफ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड इज MI. इन तीनों को ऐड किया तो फर्स्ट थिंग वी गेट इज NDPfc, एंड NDPfc में NFIA ऐड किया, वी गेट द नेशनल इनकम. So in 2 steps we finish off. If they're asking for national income, it is completed in 2 steps. Let us see some important points which we have to be very careful about while solving questions on national income by income method. If NFIA is negative, जब NFIA negative होता है, say -10, then domestic income will be greater than national income. If COE is not given, then you have to search for its components: cash, kind and employer's contribution. उनको प्लस कर दीजिए, COE आ जाएगा. Employees contribution to social security scheme, ये बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा क्योंकि employees का contribution उसकी wages में से ही होता है. So sometimes to confuse you, in the numerical it is given employees contribution, so no, you have to search for employer's contribution. If wages salary alone is given, इसका मतलब it includes both cash and kind. Similarly, if operating surplus is not given, then we have to search for its 4 components: rent, interest, profit and royalty. Further, अगर profit ही ना दिया हो, so profit के भी 3 components हैं: corporate tax, dividend and undistributed profit, जिसका नाम corporate saving भी है और retained earnings भी है. Sometimes in the numerical, profit after tax is given, so don't add that. उसके अंदर corporate tax को प्लस कीजिए, make it profit and then add it. So corporate tax or profit tax has to be added into profit after tax, प्लस करने के बाद make it profit and then make it operating surplus. So these are the very important tips you have to take care while solving the numericals. Let's solve some न्यूमेरिकल्स फॉर यू स्टूडेंट्स। तो देखिए मैंने आपको समझाया था, यू कैन टेक few seconds to just read the your question. It says calculate NNPfc, that is national income. As I told you before, income method से सबसे पहले हमारा NDPfc आता है. I'll repeat myself. COE, operating surplus and mixed income को add करके let us search for COE, that is 13,300. अब इधर आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए wages in kind दिया हुआ है. जब COE दिया हुआ है, the main part is given, then सब parts को add नहीं करना separately. Coming to operating surplus, that is I think 5,000, and then last we have mixed income, that comes to 16,100. Total किया जाएगा, that is again 29,400 and 34,400. If I'm not wrong, it is 34,400. 13 plus 16, 29,400 and 34,400 is NDPfc, but they are asking for NNPfc. To get NNPfc from NDPfc, I told you in the last class, class number 4, we have to change domestic to national, small to big, then we have to add the adjustment, that is net factor income from abroad. So 34400 plus NFIA. NFIA is 300, so it comes to 34,700. This is the easiest of all the simple numerical which you can solve like this. Coming to numerical number 2, if you can see what are they asking here, they're asking for national income. So to get national income, first I'll always say you have to calculate domestic income. So COE को ढूंढना है हमने. अब COE is I think is not given. Its components have to be searched. So as I told you, wages and salaries. I told you before, if wages and salaries alone is given, तो उसका मतलब होता है it is both cash and kind. And I told you employers contribution also has to be taken. So ये हो गया हमारा COE. Coming to operating surplus, rent, interest, profit, royalty. If you see item number 8 and 9 together, they are the 4 components of operating surplus. It comes to 600. And last, coming to mixed income is given as 1200. तो हम इन तीनों को प्लस करेंगे. we'll add these 3, 12, 12, 24 and 6. I think the answer is 3,000. Let us check it once again. 1200, 600, 1800 and 1200 is 3,000. Then they're asking for national income, so we'll do NNPfc, NDPfc plus NFIA, domestic to national. NFIA सर्च करते हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन में. फैक्टर इनकम रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम अब्रॉड इज 100 and factor income to paid abroad is 200. So NFIA का अपना फॉर्मूला होता है फीफा माइनस फीटा. सब चेक करेंगे यहाँ पे. फीफा है हमारा 100, फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, एंड फीटा है हमारा 200. So 3,000 minus 100 is our national income. So I told you in the such questions, national income is less than the domestic income when NFIA is negative. I hope you understood this. Coming to the third type of question, here we have now they're asking for GNPMP, but first always you have to calculate income method में you have to go for NDPfc. NDPfc कैसे आता है? बहुत easy है. Compensation of employees, operating surplus and mixed income. Let us see COE 1600 is the wage and salaries, and let us search for employers contribution. This is employers contribution. अब यहाँ पे एक और चीज दी हुई है जो आपको शायद ध्यान से आपको कंफ्यूज करे. That thing is payment of wage and salary by the government. Please don't touch this. It is a part of government final consumption expenditure. So therefore what we'll do, we will add wage and salaries and we'll also add contribution of employers as 200. Then coming to operating surplus. So rent is 100, interest and royalty together are given as 40 and 80, and profit is not given. I told you if profit after tax is given, just add corporate tax and make it profit. So profit becomes 150 plus 20, 170. क्योंकि टैक्स इसमें से माइनस कर दिया गया था. Coming to the last one is mixed income of self-employed, that is 320. Adding all these, this is 1800, then 1900, 2020, 2040, 2190, and 2510. We'll do it once again. It is 1800, then you can add this first, 2120, 2220, 2260, 2340, 2490, and 2510. So your NDPfc is 2510, and one more step we have to do is converting this into GNPMP. So यहाँ पे आपकी conversion काम आएगी NDPfc to GNPMP. Net to gross plus depreciation, domestic to national plus NFIA, and factor cost to market prices plus NIT. So let us see 2510 plus depreciation, which is given as 80, plus NFIA, which is minus 50, and plus NIT, that is 120. So 2510 plus 200 comes to 2710. So 2710 minus 50 is the final answer. That is 2660. So 2660 is GNP at MP. I hope you have understood this question. Coming to the last type of question, calculate operating surplus, and what is given to us? GDP MP is given to us, but we need NDPfc. So NDPfc, COE, operating surplus, it's a reverse question, and mixed income. So let us convert GDP MP into NDPfc first. It's very easy. NDPfc is equal to GDP MP minus depreciation and minus NIT. So what is GDP MP? 1050 minus depreciation is 50 and minus NIT is 150. So 1050 minus 200 is 850. And NDPfc is COE plus OS plus mixed income. So let us get the answer, students. 850, COE is 110, OS is missing, and mixed income is 500. So 850 minus 610 gives me 240. Your operating surplus is 240. This is the reverse question. I hope you understood these type of questions. ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं आता income method में. And students, if you want to practice some free tests and you want to download some subject-based material, be it Pol Science, Business Studies, or Economics itself, you can download Ecovisionnaire app. And also, if you want some personal economic coaching or group coaching, you can contact me at 9891 203546. I'll be back with expenditure method soon. Take care.